What's good, YouTube? It's your boy bro, back on this video. Today I got 5 graphic design skills that will make you more money, so stay tuned to check it out. Peace. Alright, so let's be real. Not all graphic design skills are created equal. Some get you by, while others get you paid. Suppose you're trying to level up and start making a bag. In that case, you got to focus on skills that businesses actually need. And in this video, I'm gonna break down 5 graphic design skills that'll make you more money and set you apart from the competition. Let's get into it. Number 1, branding and identity design. Alright, Pete, logos are cool, but full brand identity design, that's where the real money is at, honestly. This is how I went from designing $50 logos to $1,500 and $100 and up on my branding packaging. The key was I made myself more valuable and I bundled all my skills into packages. I learned that businesses don't just come to you for a logo. Like, they'll reach out and say, hey, I need a logo, but really they need a whole system. And most of the time, they don't want to go to multiple people to fix this issue that they got. They want to come to one person. And when I say visual systems, I mean color schemes, typography, brand guidelines, social media assets, logos, flyers, and more. If you can position yourself as a branding expert instead of just a logo designer, you can start charging $1,500 to $5,000 per project. A few key skills that you should learn: brand strategy, mood boards, and presentation decks as well. That'll help you justify your premium pricing. That'll help you also flex your skills a bit and showcase your value. And it'll make people pay you more because they see you as valuable. And the goal with that is for them to see you as an employee or a teammate, you know, something like that. They always trust you and they always come back to you with more of their projects. That way you get a client for life. Number 2, UX and UI design. Right, user experience and user interface design are in high demand, and companies pay top dollar for designers who can create smooth and user-friendly digital experiences. This goes beyond just making things look cute or whatever. You need to understand user behavior, wireframing, prototyping, and usability testing. If you can design websites, mobile apps, or dashboards, you can easily charge $50 to $150 per hour or even land a high-paying salary job. So on top of making sure your skills are fire, I would recommend learning human psychology a bit as well. So a few questions I would ask myself when learning this is, what is it about the interactive elements that affect how users engage with a website? How do colors, typography, and imagery impact a user's emotions when interacting with my brand? What psychological triggers keeps users engaged and encourages them to take action on my website? How can understanding user behavior and decision-making patterns help create a more intuitive and engaging website experience? If you can figure all that out and you can ask yourself those questions and then learn how to answer those, you'll increase your impact and you'll increase your value as a designer, and you start charging more. Number 3, motion graphics and animation. All right, so shit finna get real. You know, imagine someone coming to you for a logo and then they're like, oh my God, we need it for a commercial. We need you to animate this for a commercial, and you know how to do it. Imagine then you know how to put it on packaging. You know what I mean? Like, the value that you provide for that one company is gonna be outstanding, but it also, you can charge them more. You wanna take your designs to the next level, you have to learn motion graphics. I've seen businesses, YouTubers, and marketers all want explainer videos, logo animations, and social media motion graphics. So learning tools like After Effects, Premiere Pro, and even Canva animations can instantly make your work more valuable. At that point, you can add that into your branding packages and multiply your pricing by 2 or 3, to be honest. And with this, if you learn this, you just added another skill set to your arsenal, and now it's time to get paid, my G. Number 4, packaging design. All right, so one of my favorite aspects of graphic design is package design. I've been a fan since I used to beg my parents to buy me Ninja Turtles when I was a kid. I loved the creativity that went behind the packaging, but unfortunately, the past few years, the industry kind of veered off from over-the-top packaging and went with a more subtle approach, and that shit got lame really quick. But it's turning around. Here's where you can make a killing though. E-commerce companies, apparel companies, the food industry, and product-based businesses need eye-catching packaging to stand out. Whether it's designing labels, boxes, or product mock-ups, packaging is a niche skill that pays well, and brands understand that better packaging equals more sales. So they're willing to invest in you. If you can combine branding with a strong packaging design skill, you can start commanding a fucking bag. Another thing that will help you become a better package designer is to learn human behaviors. You know, like we talked about in the UX section, companies do a lot of testing and they want to know what's going to make someone pick up something, what's going to make someone feel a certain way, and what's going to trigger them to want to purchase something from their brand. So if you could figure all those things out while you're working on the packaging design, again, more value, more money. You get the point at this point. You get what I'm trying to say at this point. Number 5, web design. All right, so it's 2 to 5. If you could design websites and build them, you're already ahead of the game. Learning Webflow, Shopify, or my personal favorite, WordPress, means you can offer full website services without needing a developer. You don't need to learn code, none of that shit. Companies love hiring designers who can design and launch a site because it saves them time, money, and they don't have to communicate with all these different people. And it doesn't get murky that way. It's just one person, knock it out, we good to go. This skill alone can turn a $500 website design job into a $5,000 full branding website package. Now, if you really want to get frisky and add more value, add website design to your already value-rich branding packages, like I did, and that alone would allow you to start charging thousands of dollars. If you really want to get paid though, learn Google ads and Facebook ads. That way you can send traffic to these websites that you build, and you can sell your digital marketing services as well, which again, value. It's gonna make them love you because you're a one-stop shop. You know how to design, you know how to build websites, you know how to send the traffic to it, you know how to package. They don't need nobody else but you at this point. Now, say you don't have any website design experience, right? What you could do is you can build a personal website, or you could build websites for your homies as well, and then use that as leverage. That way you don't feel rushed to build so many websites all at once for your portfolio. You can kind of take your time. A platform that I use is SiteGround. This is not a paid partnership or nothing like that, but I use them, and I always build my websites on that, and I use them as my host because it's cheap. I ain't gonna lie to you. So check them out. But look, say this video didn't hit the spot for you. Say you need a little bit more one-on-one time. I got you. Hit the link in the description. I got portfolio reviews, and I got career advice and whatever mentorship you might need, right? Go to my website, cop a consultation, and I got you. Or a portfolio review, whatever it is, I got you. And we can get started today. But anyway, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I love y'all, and I'm holla at y'all soon. Peace.